Most people are flying blind when it comes to their actual investment returns. They check a brokerage app and see a big green percentage, but that number is often a total illusion. It does not account for the timing of your deposits or the way dividends reinvest over long periods. It certainly does not show you how your digital currency holdings are performing relative to your boring index funds. If you want to stop guessing and start knowing, you need a level of detail that standard apps just will not give you. There is a piece of software called Portfolio Performance that changes everything for the serious investor. It is a free, open-source desktop application that acts as a central command center for your entire financial life. This is not some cloud-based service where you have to worry about your data being sold or leaked. Everything stays on your own hard drive. You download it, you run it, and you own every single byte of information. It handles stocks, exchange-traded funds, bonds, and even your cash accounts. It is built for the person who wants to see the internal rate of return and the time-weighted return of their assets. These are the metrics that actual fund managers use to judge their success. Without them, you are just looking at a balance sheet without any context. One of the most satisfying things about this tool is the way it visualizes your progress. The charts are crisp and functional. You can see your total portfolio value climb over time, but you can also toggle views to see exactly how much of that growth came from your own contributions versus actual market gains. It tracks your dividend income with incredible precision. You can see which companies are paying you the most and how those payments are growing year over year. The reality of the learning curve is significant. This is not a toy. It is not designed for the casual user who wants a simplified, gamified experience. The interface looks technical because it is technical. There are dozens of tabs and specialized views. It feels like professional-grade equipment. If you are brand new to the world of investing, the sheer volume of data might feel overwhelming at first. There is no mobile app to check while you are standing in line at the grocery store. This is a tool for the dedicated investor who sits down at a desk to do the real work of financial planning. You have to manually import your data or learn how to feed it transaction files from your brokers. It requires a time investment. However, for the person who values their privacy and wants a deep, granular look at their wealth, there is nothing else quite like it. It is completely free with no hidden fees or locked features. You get the full power of the software from day one. It is a rare example of high-quality tools being made available to everyone without a catch. You can map out your asset allocation by region or by sector to see where you are overexposed. You can run reports that show you exactly where your money is going and how hard it is working for you. It turns a messy pile of statements into a clear, actionable roadmap. Once you get past the initial learning curve, you realize that you have a professional-grade analysis suite right at your fingertips. It is about moving beyond the basic charts and taking full control of your financial future. You deserve to know the truth about your money. This is the difference between playing at investing and actually managing a portfolio.